Hello. Are you tired of dull, lifeless skin? Today, we re-diving into the world of ageless beauty and revealing the top 5 foods that unlock the fountain of youth, leaving you with radiant, glowing skin that defies the passage of time. But that's not all. We'll also be unveiling 2 powerful secrets that, when combined with these superfoods, can accelerate your journey to a more youthful complexion. Get ready to nourish your skin from the inside out and discover the path to eternal radiance. So let's dive in. Introducing the first ingredient, avocado. This creamy green fruit is a powerhouse of healthy monounsaturated fats, essential for maintaining the skin's elasticity and keeping it supple and youthful. But that's not all. Avocados are also packed with essential vitamins like vitamin E, which helps protect the skin from environmental stressors, and vitamin K, which brightens the complexion by reducing puffiness and dark circles. To incorporate this superfood into your anti-aging skincare routine, try adding avocado, either whole or in the form of a face mask. Next up, we have salmon. This fatty fish is an excellent source of collagen-boosting protein and a rich source of anti-inflammatory omega-3 fatty acids. Omega-3 salve play a vital role in maintaining the skin's natural moisture barrier, keeping it hydrated and reducing the appearance of fine lines and wrinkles. Additionally, salmon is packed with vitamin D, which aids in skin turnover and promotes a brighter, more even complexion. To enjoy this superfood, try grilling or baking salmon and pairing it with a colorful salad for a delicious and nutritious meal. Now, let's talk about red bell peppers. These vibrant veggies are a great source of vitamin C, which plays a crucial role in boosting collagen production and maintaining the skin's structure and firmness. Vitamin C also has antioxidant properties that help fight free radicals and protect the skin from environmental damage. Additionally, red bell peppers contain beta-carotene, which gives them their vibrant color and also supports skin health. To incorporate red bell peppers into your diet, try adding them raw to salads or roasting them for a sweet and savory snack. Berries are another fantastic addition to your anti-aging skincare routine. Blueberries, strawberries, and raspberries are packed with antioxidants that help fight free radicals and protect the skin from oxidative damage caused by aging and environmental stressors. These tiny fruits also contain vitamin C and alpha-hydroxy acids, which brighten the complexion and improve skin texture. To enjoy the benefits of berries, try incorporating them into your diet, either whole as a snack or added to smoothies or yogurt for an extra boost of nutrition. And finally, we have sweet potatoes. These nutrient-dense veggies are a great source of beta-carotene, which gives them their vibrant orange color and also provides antioxidant benefits. Beta-carotene is converted into vitamin A in the body, which supports skin repair and protects against sun damage. Additionally, sweet potatoes are rich in fiber, vitamin C, and potassium, which contribute to overall skin health and a youthful appearance. To prepare sweet potatoes, try baking or steaming them and topping with a dollop of Greek yogurt for a nourishing and delicious side dish. Now that you know the best foods to incorporate into your diet for youthful skin, it's time to unveil our 2 powerful secrets to skin rejuvenation. Did you know that eating healthy fats like those found in avocados can help boost skin hydration and improve its overall appearance? Healthy fats are essential for maintaining the skin's natural moisture barrier, keeping it supple and preventing dryness and flaking. Additionally, avocados are rich in vitamin E, which aids in wound healing and skin regeneration, further contributing to a more youthful and radiant complexion. Secret No. 2. Staying adequately hydrated is crucial for maintaining healthy and radiant skin. When your body is dehydrated, it can cause your skin to appear dry, dull, and lifeless. Drinking a sufficient amount of water throughout the day helps keep your skin plump and youthful by keeping it hydrated from the inside out. Now, let's reveal the ultimate truth about achieving flawless skin. It's not just about what you eat, but also about what you don't eat. To truly unlock the fountain of youth, you need to avoid or limit the consumption of processed foods, sugary drinks, and refined carbohydrates. These foods can cause blood sugar spikes and inflammation, leading to premature skin aging and a loss of elasticity. Additionally, processed meats and fried foods should be avoided as they contain high levels of sodium and unhealthy fats that can contribute to skin inflammation and damage. By cutting back on these harmful foods, you'll be able to maintain a more balanced and nutritious diet, allowing your body to provide your skin with the essential nutrients it needs to thrive. Remember, consistency is key when it comes to transforming your skin from the inside out. Incorporating these 5 superfoods and avoiding processed foods. Excessive sugar and refined carbs will help you see long-term results. Give it at least a month of consistent effort before evaluating your progress and making any adjustments to your diet. With dedication and persistence, you'll soon notice a difference in your skin and feel like you've unlocked the secret to eternal youth and radiance. Thank you for joining us today. If you found this information helpful, please don't hesitate to share it with your friends and family who could benefit from these ageless beauty secrets. What did you think of these tips? Let us know in the comments. And if you liked this content, don't forget to leave your like, subscribe to the channel, and share this video with your friends. And remember, always consult a doctor and make informed choices to protect your health. Want to keep learning about health? Watch these videos too. 10 foods that naturally increase collagen and 10 things that destroy collagen in your body. And my video on your liver is dying. 13 strange signs of liver damage you need to know about. Thanks for sticking with me until the end of this video. May God bless us with health and life. Let's work together to promote everyone's well-being. Subscribe for more health videos.